Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your browser and device are updated, and that downloads are allowed. Next, open YouTube, find the video, and copy the URL using Share then Copy link. Once you have the link, go to your chosen converter. Pick one with MP3 and bitrate choices. You do this because conversion quality and safety depend on the service and format. Make sure to select the bitrate you want before proceeding so you avoid redoing the task. You paste the YouTube URL into the converter's input box and verify the thumbnail or title matches the video you want. Then select MP3 as the output and pick a bitrate. Higher kbps gives better fidelity but larger files. If available, set start and end times to trim intros or silence. This saves editing later. Once configured, click Convert or Start. Watch the progress indicator and make sure it finishes before you attempt to download, so the file is complete and not corrupted. After conversion finishes, click Download and save the MP3 to your chosen folder, then play it to confirm audio quality and proper length. If the download fails or the file is corrupted, retry the conversion, try a different bitrate, or switch to another reputable converter. Switching often resolves format or server issues. Make sure to avoid sites with excessive pop-ups and scan the downloaded file if you're unsure. Finally, organize the MP3 with a clear file name so you can find it later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.